If you run a therapist practice, your website can't just be another cookie-cutter business site. Your clients are often anxious, overwhelmed, or in crisis, and if your site feels cold, confusing, or generic, they'll click away and book with someone who feels safer and more relatable. A good therapy website should clearly explain who you help, share your approach in simple language, and make it easy to request an appointment and gently lower the anxiety of those reaching out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which website builder will work best for your therapy practice. If you click away early, you risk choosing a platform that, looks unprofessional, turns off potential clients, and quietly costs you thousands of dollars in missed sessions over time. So starting off, therapist websites are different because you're not just promoting a service, you're inviting someone to open up about the hardest parts of their life. Your site needs to build trust, show empathy, and communicate competence within a few seconds. Now, on top of that, you have to think about privacy, HIPAA considerations around your contact forms and telehealth, and presenting your credentials without sounding like a research paper. If you get this wrong, people who desperately need help may never schedule that first session. Now, before we move forward, I have to say, if you're like me as a business owner and just don't have all the time to research dozens of website builders and just want the best option for roughly 99% of therapists, go ahead and click this link right up here to try it for free with the absolute best pricing offer that I could find if you decide to upgrade in the future. Now, no pressure to click that link now, but it's there throughout the video if you need it at any point. So next here, let's look at the website builder that does the best job of balancing ease of use, professional design, and the specific needs of a therapy practice. For most therapists, Wix is the best overall website builder because it gives you a ton of flexibility without requiring design or coding skills. It's ideal if you're a solo therapist or a small group practice and you want a site that looks polished, reflects your personality, and is easy to update between sessions. You could start with, calming, therapy-friendly templates and customize colors, forms, and images so your site matches the tone of your work, whether you focus on trauma, couples, kids, or high-achieving professionals. Therapists tend to like Wix because it's simple to add all the pages that you actually need. So an about page with your story and credentials, a services page that explains your specialties in plain English, an FAQ section that lowers fears about that first appointment, and then a contact or book now page that links to your scheduling tool or client portal. Wix also makes it super easy to embed intake forms, add blog posts on mental health topics, and connect to tools that you might already use for telehealth or online booking. That means that you can build a site that not only looks good, but also supports your day-to-day workflow. Now, the main downside for therapists is that Wix is so flexible that you might find yourself over-tweaking layouts and design if you're a perfectionist. Some premium apps or advanced features like more storage or certain integrations, they may also require a higher tier plan if it's needed. But in general, you can expect pricing to range from an affordable basic plan for a simple professional site up to mid-range plans if you want extra features, more bandwidth, or built-in online payments. Now again, if you want to check out Wix for yourself by creating a free account, you can click right up here to sign up and learn more about how they can help you. But if you're the kind of therapist who cares a lot about visual branding and really wants your site to look like it was designed by a pro from day one, Squarespace might be a good fit as well. So let's go ahead and check that out. Squarespace is best for therapists who want a clean, modern, visually stunning website without spending hours fiddling with every tiny detail. Now, if your practice leans heavily on branding, maybe you work with creatives, couples, or high-income professionals, and you want your site to reflect that high-end curated feel, Squarespace really shines. Its templates are known for being really minimalist, elegant, and perfect for large images and simple layouts that convey calm and professionalism. Therapists like Squarespace because the starting point is already pretty strong. You pick a template that matches your vibe, then you swap in your photos, adjust the colors, and add pages like about, services, and contact. It's easy to sprinkle in testimonials, a blog, and clear calls to action like schedule a consultation without cluttering the design. Now, for someone who wants to focus on words and photos instead of layout logic, Squarespace can feel very straightforward. The trade-off is that Squarespace is a little bit less flexible than Wix if you want to customize every element in the future. You're generally working within the structure of the template, which is great for simplicity, but limiting if you like deep customization. Pricing is usually mid-range, more than the cheapest bare-bone options out there, but reasonable considering the design quality and the built-in tools. Now, if you want to check out Squarespace for yourself, There's a link for that in the description below, which will lead you to a special limited time offer that they're running right now for new customers. And if you're, listening to this and you're just thinking, well, honestly, I just want something that's affordable and solid that gets my therapy website online, without blowing my budget. Well, then the next option here is probably going to be your favorite. Hostinger is best for therapists who are just starting out or who want to keep monthly costs as low as possible while still having a professional presence online. If you're building your first private practice site, watching your expenses, and you don't mind a little more setup in exchange for saving some money, well, Hostinger is a strong contender. It combines affordable hosting with tools that let you build a site, and it also works well if you eventually want to use WordPress for more advanced customization down the road. Now, therapists, they appreciate Hostinger because you could still have all the essentials like pages for your specialties, about section, fees, and contact info, plus the ability to link to external scheduling tools, telehealth platforms, or a client portal. You can choose from templates or themes, then adjust the basics so that your site feels aligned with your practice. Now, for someone who's okay learning a little bit and wants a long-term flexible setup, Hostinger can be a good foundation. The limitations are that Hostinger isn't as, out-of-the-box therapist-friendly as Wix or Squarespace. And you may need to spend a bit more time picking themes, learning the editor, or configuring plugins if you go the WordPress route. Now, some people love that control and others, they find it overwhelming. The upside is that the pricing is usually one of the lowest per month, which is huge if you're bootstrapping your practice. So if Hostinger sounds like it's the best fit for you, check out the link in the description below, which also entitles you to a special deal that they're also running right now for new customers. But if you're still not convinced about any of these options, right, and you feel like you're still kind of shopping around, no problem, just stick with me here because next, I'm going to walk you through exactly what you should be looking for in a website builder as a therapist so that you can make a confident choice. So when you're choosing a website builder for your therapy practice, there are a few key factors that you should always keep in mind so you don't regret your decision later. First is ease of use. So you're managing sessions, notes, and your own life. So learning a super technical platform on top of all that is a recipe for burnout. You really want something where you can update your services, fees, or availability in minutes and not hours. Second, client experience. So your website should make it very clear who you help, what you specialize in, and how to get started. Look for templates or layouts that really support strong about pages, services pages, broken into clear sections, and obvious buttons for schedule now or request an appointment. The fewer clicks it takes for someone to contact you, the better. Third, mobile optimization. So many people will land on your site from their phone, often late at night when they're, finally ready to seek some help. Your site needs to load quickly, look good on a small screen, and have buttons and text that are easy to tap and read. Fourth, integrations and forms. So you may want to connect your site to scheduling tools, telehealth platforms, or practice management software. Make sure that the website builder that you choose can embed those tools or at least link cleanly to them. Also, look for secure contact or inquiry forms so people can safely reach out. Fifth, SEO and content tools. So it's helpful if your platform lets you edit page titles, descriptions, and URLs and offers a simple blog feature. That way you can publish short posts on topics that you treat like anxiety, grief, or couples communication, which can help more people find you over time. Finally, growth potential. Even if you're solo now, you might add associates, groups, or workshops later. Choose a builder that can grow with you by adding more pages, bios, and services without forcing a full rebuild. At the end of the day, all three of these platforms, Wix, Squarespace, and Hostinger, can work for therapists, but Wix really does stand out as the best overall option because it combines ease of use, strong design, and features that directly support how a therapy practice runs. If you're frustrated with your current website, worried that it's turning clients away, or stuck in decision paralysis trying to compare every platform, Wix is a simple, safe way to get a professional, client-friendly site live without a giant learning curve. So if that sounds like where you're at right now, you can click right up here to create a free account and start building out your therapist website today. Now, if you have any questions for me, or you're a little bit confused about, what's best for your business, just drop me a comment below and I will do my absolute best to help you out as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.